Every December 25th, a town in Peru celebrates Tatnakul. Men, women, and children settle grudges with fistfights. Then everyone goes drinking together, ready to start the new year with a clean slate. The show Friends generates about $1 billion in syndication revenue each year. Each of the six main cast members earns about 2% of that, roughly $20 million a year. Rare black chicken. This whole chicken is solid black. The meat, skin, organs, bone marrow, tongue, eyes, and even the egg it lays. In an attempt to reduce the number of people committing suicide by jumping off of South Korea's Mapo Bridge, the bridge was renamed to the Bridge of Life. The following year, suicides increased sixfold. Photo taken in 1967 in the sewers of Paris. It's unknown what's in the photo. The man who took the photo offered a reward for an explanation. This camera was set up to capture the Falcon 9 rocket launch. It melted due to the excessive heat from the launch. The amazing part is that it was kept almost half a kilometer from the launch point. I was climbing up into the roof and saw in my path a wrapped up old style baby carrier, about 3/4 the size of a bassinet. My mum sees a face to the left on the carrier. She says to zoom in. Bonsai is not a specific type of tree, but the Japanese art form of making trees look miniature. 11% of billionaires tracked by Forbes did not graduate from college, but 45% went to an elite university. Scientists finally concluded that the chicken came first, not the egg, because the protein which makes egg shells is only produced by hens. Giant leaf insects are the largest insects in the world. Their length reaches up to 24 inches. There is a travel company that books your flights and hotel for you, but doesn't tell you where you're going. Pack Plus Go surveys you about your budget and what you like to do, then uses your answers to schedule you a 3-day weekend trip while keeping your destination a secret. They also try to minimize travel time and send you to US cities you might never have thought to visit on your own. Medical error is estimated to be the third biggest killer in the US. Researchers at the Johns Hopkins School of Medicine concluded that over 250,000 people died in 2013 due to mistakes made by healthcare professionals. That number, which was based only on people who died inside a hospital, is more than double the number of suicides, firearm deaths, and motor vehicle fatalities combined. Dr. Seuss's first book, And to Think That I Saw It on Mulberry Street, was rejected 27 times. Just as he was ready to give up trying, he bumped into a friend on the street who had recently begun working in children's publishing. He says if he had been walking down the other side of the street, he probably never would have been a children's author. How old you think this dress was? How many thunderstorms did it withstand? How many trees grew thanks to him and his seeds? How many birds and animals called it home? Old buildings are protected. Why aren't old trees? In the 1998 Nagano Olympics, French figure skater Surya Bonali landed a backflip on one blade, despite it being an illegal move. The backflip was banned in 1976, and fully knowing it would negatively affect her score, Bonali did it anyway, gaining international recognition. Every baseball used in MLB games is coated with a thin layer of special mud, harvested by a single family, from a secret location along the Delaware River. Over to 40,000 balls per season are treated with the magic mud, and the same family has been working with the MLB to supply the mud for generations. The restaurant of order mistakes employs waiters with dementia, and you never know what you're getting. When the male honeybee climaxes during sex, his testicles explode and he dies. In 1964, a group of high school kids skipped class to go see the Beatles. They didn't get into the concert, but while they were driving, Ringo pulled beside them and snapped their picture. When they told their friends, no one believed them. Fast forward 50 years, and Ringo publishes a book of his photographs. They were in it. They reposed the shot as they look today. In 2015, my baby brother passed away at age 10 from a heart condition called hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. 6 years later, I have just submitted my master's dissertation researching the genetic causes of the same condition. I hope you'd be proud of me, Max. A giant three-fingered hand was found in late 2016 in a Peruvian desert. A physician reported that it is biological and composed of skin and bone. X-rays show 6 bones in each finger, and scientists believe it belonged to a figure 8 to 10 feet tall. There was a Macedonian journalist crime reporter named Rado Taniski who was also a serial killer. He reported on his own crimes and eventually got caught because he wrote articles on the murders with information that had not yet been released and only the killer would have known. Dwayne Johnson's beard in the movie Hercules was made of yak testicle hair. A Polish environmental charity put a SIM card in a GPS tracker to follow the migratory pattern of a white stork. They lost track of the stork and later received a phone bill for $2,700. Someone in Sudan had taken the SIM from the tracker and made over 20 hours of calls. A woman named Joyce Diane became famous in the 1950s for becoming the first woman to win the game show The $64,000 Question, despite the fact that the show's producers did not want her to win and deliberately gave her questions perceived to be beyond her ability, which she answered correctly anyway. Robert Gould Shaw was an American officer in the Union Army during the American Civil War. He accepted command of the 1st All-Black Regiment and supported equal treatment for his troops. When he died, Confederates didn't return his body and put him in a mass grave with his men. It was meant as an insult for leading black soldiers. In response, his father said, "We can imagine no holier place than that in which he lies, among his brave and devoted followers, nor wish for him better company." Joseph Broz Tito, fed up with Stalin sending assassins, wrote openly, "Stop sending people to kill me. We have already captured 5 of them, one of them with a bomb, and another with a rifle. If you don't stop sending killers, I will send one to Moscow, and I won't have to send a second." Stalin never sent another, and kept this letter in his office until the end of his life. A hallucinogenic chemical found in magic mushrooms has successfully lifted clinical depression during a trial in the UK. Scientists induced intense psychedelic trips in 12 previously untreatable people using high doses of psilocybin, and all the volunteers were depression-free within a week of their session. 3 months later, 5 of them still had no symptoms of the condition. In the 18th century, the wealthy would keep live garden hermits or people that would dress as druids and live in handmade grottos among the properties. They would be used as entertainment, could not cut their hair or nails, and were often treated as sages.